Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to hide your payment history from others on Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what we're going to do is go ahead and open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up, and if you're on a mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application and open it up. So after you have opened it up, now we can get started. First thing we need to do is log in. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your Venmo account. If you do not already have a Venmo account, what you can do is register for one by clicking get Venmo. That's going to enable you to register with your phone number. So once you've gotten your account and logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page. The home page is going to look like this. This is the main page from where we can get started. In this home page right here at the bottom of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as the home section, cards, crypto, and so on. And now we can get started. So the first thing we need to do is open up our settings. So what we're going to do to go ahead and hide our payment history is to turn our account private. And how can we do so? As you can see right here, we are going to follow the steps right here. We're going to click the me icon in the bottom right of the page. As you can see, this is the me icon right here in the bottom right corner that you want to open up by tapping on it. Once you have done so, select the settings gear at the top right. This is the settings gear right here that you want to open up after opening up your me page. And from there, you can go ahead and enter in the settings and select privacy. In the privacy settings, you're going to have the option to turn your account private. That's going to enable you to be only visible to the sender and recipient. So what you want to do is go into the settings, into the privacy section, and turn your account private. This is going to hide your payment history from anybody else, and they will not be able to view it on your profile once it's private. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.